Hey crypto enthusiasts, today I'm diving deep into Avalanche or AVAX, one of the most exciting blockchain platforms around. So what is Avalanche? It's a decentralized smart contract platform built to deploy dApps and custom blockchain networks. Launched in September 2020 by Ava Labs, Avalanche aims to be highly scalable, fast and eco-friendly. Now let's break down its key features. First up, Avalanche can handle over 4,500 transactions per second with finality in under 2 seconds. That's insanely fast. Next, transaction costs on Avalanche are relatively low and all fees are burned, reducing AVAX supply over time. This creates a deflationary model. Pretty cool, right? Then we have Avalanche supports the Ethereum virtual machine, making it super easy for Ethereum dApps to migrate. Plus, it's compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's smart contract language. Avalanche also boasts with 3 main blockchains: X-Chain for asset creation, C-Chain for smart contracts, and P-Chain for coordinating validators. Each chain is optimized for specific tasks, making the whole system efficient and versatile. Now, let's talk about unlike proof of work or traditional proof of stake, Avalanche uses repeated random subsampling of validators to achieve consensus quickly and with lower energy consumption. One unique feature of Avalanche is, think of them as mini blockchains with their own rules, tokens, and validators. Subnets are perfect for enterprises and specific use cases like in-chain markets, which tokenizes financial instruments using a custom subnet. Subnets allow for custom compliance, speed, and scalability. What about the AVAX token? It's used for staking, paying transaction fees, participating in governance, and securing the network. To become a validator, you need at least 2,000 AVAX, while delegation requires a minimum of 25 AVAX. Staking rewards around 8 to 11% annually. Avalanche's ecosystem is thriving with DeFi platforms like Aave and Trader Joe, NFT marketplaces like Kalau and NFTrade, and even gaming projects like Shrapnel and Kravata. Plus, Deloitte uses Avalanche for digital document notarization. Let's quickly compare Avalanche to some competitors. It processes over 4,500 transactions per second with finality in under 2 seconds, uses low energy and supports subnets unlike Ethereum and Solana. Of course, Avalanche faces challenges like adoption, complexity in managing subnets, and strong competition from Ethereum and Solana, but it's steadily growing and evolving. Recent developments include Avalanche Evergreen subnets for institutional adoption and the Durango upgrade, which supports warp messaging for cross-subnet communication. Interested in AVAX? You can buy it on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or directly through the Avalanche wallet. For more information, check out the official Avalanche website, Explorer, and documentation. Links are in the description below. Got any specific topics you want me to cover next? Maybe a comparison between AVAX and another crypto, or a deep dive into top dApps on Avalanche? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more crypto insights.